So hello, in this video I will show you how to stream your OBS to Discord, including the sound as well, because that's the main issue to tackle. Obviously you can just stream OBS to Discord without any issues, but the problem then is that there is no sound of the captured scene, because OBS is not outputting any sound. It's very easy, and let's get straight into it. The first thing you have to do is open your settings, and in your settings you have to go to the audio options. And so what you have to do here is go down to the advanced section and then select a monitoring device. Now it shouldn't matter what device you choose, but I have only tested it with my main output device that's being used, which in this case would be my headset. But what happens if you choose your actual output device is that you will hear your audio twice. So to prevent that, you can try selecting a device that's currently not in use, and then you should not be able to hear your own audio twice. I don't see why it shouldn't work, but if that doesn't work, try again and select your actual output audio device. And that's all you have to do in the options. Click apply, close the settings menu, and next you have to go to your sources down here, click on the plus and select application audio capture beta. Now, you don't have to do this, but I recommend doing this, because if you share your desktop audio down here, then the people in the call will be able to hear everything that your OBS is capturing. Like, the desktop audio will also capture the voices from the people in the call, and then everyone would be able to hear themselves speak through your stream, which is not ideal. But this little neat feature allows you to select an application, which if you want to stream a game, you just select your game. Now I only have Discord open, so I'll just add Discord. And now you have this new audio source, which is the application audio capture. Now what you have to do next is click on the little three dots of the audio source and open the advanced audio properties. In this menu, you choose the application audio capture and go to the audio monitoring section and enable monitor and output. And what this does is it will make OBS output the actual sound of the audio source, and because OBS is outputting the audio, Discord will also capture that. And that's all you have to do, really. Now, because OBS is outputting the sound, you can just close the window, and to prevent everyone from being able to see your scenes and your sources or whatever, you just right click on your preview and open either the full screen projector preview or the window projector preview. Both should work. I'll just use the window projector preview. Then you have this little window of your capture, and you can increase the size of it. Doesn't really matter. And then I'll show you how to do this on Discord, on my little dummy Discord account for this video, and on my little dummy Discord server. You can now just click share your screen, select the window projector preview, and go live. Now your stream will be here, and it should also output the audio that you're monitoring. That's all you have to do. I hope you enjoyed, and that's it. Bye bye.